Structural engineers are the unsung heroes of sustainable cities. These buildings and infrastructure marvels are not just aesthetically pleasing or functional, but also environmentally friendly and resource efficient. So how does it work? Well, let's start at the top with this skyscraper. As you can see, it's a towering testament to human ingenuity. But what makes it truly special is what you can't see: the innovative structural design that went into making it a sustainable green building. From the ground up, this building has been designed to minimize its environmental impact. For example, the walls and windows have been positioned to maximize natural light penetration, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. And the building's orientation has been carefully planned to minimize heat gain in the summer and heat loss in the winter, reducing the need for heating and cooling. But it doesn't stop there. This building has a green roof that provides insulation, reduces stormwater runoff, and provides habitat for wildlife. It's also equipped with solar panels that generate renewable energy on site. And the building materials were carefully selected to minimize embodied carbon emissions. By using these and other sustainable design features, structural engineers have turned this skyscraper into an environmentally friendly and energy-efficient marvel. Now let's take a look at another example, this time a bridge. This bridge is more than just a way to get from one side of the river to the other. It's an example of how structural engineers are integrating sustainability into their designs. The bridge's structure and materials have been designed to minimize its impact on the surrounding environment. For example, the materials used in the construction of the bridge have been selected not only for their durability and strength, but also for their low embodied carbon emissions. The bridge also incorporates green infrastructure such as rain gardens and bioswales that help to manage stormwater runoff and improve water quality. Additionally, the bridge has been designed to be flexible, allowing for future expansion and modifications as the city's needs change over time. By incorporating these sustainable features, structural engineers are helping to create a greener and more resilient city. These are just two examples of the many ways that structural engineers are contributing to the creation of sustainable cities. In fact, structural engineers are involved in virtually every aspect of building and infrastructure projects, from the initial design and planning stages through construction and maintenance. They use their expertise in materials, structures, and construction methods to develop innovative and sustainable solutions that meet the needs of the community while minimizing the impact on the environment. For example, structural engineers are at the forefront of developing new and innovative ways to incorporate renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power into buildings and infrastructure projects. They are also playing a key role in the development of smart cities by designing structures that can integrate with digital technologies to improve efficiency and sustainability. Now let's talk about the future of sustainable cities. To create truly sustainable cities, structural engineers must continue to push the boundaries of innovation and collaboration. This means embracing new technologies and data analysis techniques to design structures that are not only sustainable, but also resilient in the face of climate change and other challenges. It also means working closely with architects, urban planners, and other stakeholders to create integrated and holistic solutions for our cities. As we look to the future, it's clear that structural engineers have a vital role to play in creating sustainable cities. By embracing innovation, collaboration, and a commitment to sustainability, structural engineers can help create the cities of tomorrow that are not only environmentally friendly, but also socially just and economically prosperous. If you're inspired by the work of structural engineers and want to learn more, we encourage you to explore career opportunities in this field. With the right education and training, you could be part of the team that designs the sustainable cities of tomorrow. In conclusion, structural engineers are the backbone of sustainable cities. Their expertise in designing, planning, and constructing buildings and infrastructure is essential for creating a greener, more sustainable future for our communities. So the next time you see a skyscraper or a bridge, take a moment to appreciate the hard work and dedication of the structural engineers who made it possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.